The rise of Motown in the 1960s produced numerous hits and launched the careers of many artists, showcasing the vibrant soul music genre. This movement profoundly influenced popular music. In parallel, psychedelic music emerged as a creative force during the 60s, characterized by experimental sounds and mind-bending lyrics, reflecting the era's cultural shifts. Bands pushed artistic boundaries like never before. Tracks like Inagata Vida by Iron Butterfly redefined rock music with lengthy compositions and intricate solos, marking a pivotal moment in the genre's evolution. This track remains a cornerstone of hard rock. Its structure, based on the 12-bar blues, contributed significantly to its popularity, showcasing a distinctive style that resonated with audiences during the 1960s. Such elements highlighted the era's musical innovation. The song's cultural impact is underscored by its historical significance, being the first American record to sell 1 million copies during the British invasion. This marked a shift in the music industry landscape. Despite its immense success, Wooly Bully never claimed the top spot on the Billboard Hot 100, illustrating the fiercely competitive music landscape of the time. Such dynamics shaped the trajectory of many artists. The song drew inspiration from Chuck Berry's visit to the Palisades Cliffs in New Jersey, connecting it to a real amusement park and solidifying its iconic title. This reflects the storytelling aspect prevalent in music during that era. Freddie Cannon, the performer of Wooly Bully, became a notable figure in the music scene. However, the decline of such songs highlights the changing musical tastes over the years, signaling an evolution within the industry. Other tracks like Incense and Peppermints and Light and Strikes exemplify the evolving landscape of music, often overshadowing earlier hits with fresh sounds and styles that captured the contemporary audience's attention. In 1968, John Fred's song, Judy in Disguise, topped the charts, showcasing a unique blend of instruments and inspiration drawn from personal experiences. Its abrupt ending sparked controversy among band members. Little Green Apples gained traction in 1968, with various artists covering it, demonstrating its widespread appeal despite eventually fading from mainstream consciousness. Bobby Russell, the songwriter, won a Grammy for this timeless piece. The Lemon Pipers' Green Tambourine stands as one of the earliest psychedelic pop songs, achieving significant success, yet later declining in popularity as musical tastes shifted. The band's subsequent works couldn't replicate its initial acclaim. Originally titled Pimp Jerk, Cool Jerk was renamed to avoid negative connotations, reflecting the societal impact on music titles during that period. Such changes demonstrate the interplay between culture and music. Moreover, the performance by the talented Funk Brothers during recording sessions emphasizes the collaborative nature of music production, which was essential in shaping the sound of that era. The song's infectious rhythm and dance style contributed to its popularity, though it may have been eventually overshadowed by other iconic hits. This illustrates the constantly evolving tastes within the music industry. This narrative illustrates how individuals rejected societal norms, symbolized by unconventional choices like hairstyles, serving as a form of protest against political apathy. Such expressions underscore the desire for change. The song's success enriched the American breed's legacy in music history, showcasing their significant role in the 1960s rock scene and the perennial challenges artists faced in maintaining their relevance. Finally, Psychotic Reaction by Count 5 emerged from a unique inspiration tied to mental health discussions, illustrating how creativity can stem from unexpected sources while resonating with audiences over time.